How's it going, guys? Colin here from Trail Thrills Off-Road, and in today's video we're going to share with you guys our recent Jeep upgrades and then also where we will be heading to go wheeling soon. So let's jump right into the Jeep upgrades. So the first upgrade that we're going to talk to you guys about is probably the most noticeable upgrade, and that is this Bestop Sunrider soft top that we have installed. Now, we decided to get a soft top because although hard tops are great and they're a little bit more waterproof than these soft tops, the hard tops are just really hard to take off, and it's really nice to be able to cruise down the road without any roof on, and it's super easy with this Bestop Sunrider soft top. It goes up and down super easy, it's super fast, and it's definitely very affordable too. Of course, you'll find a link to this product in the description below. We actually picked it up used off of Facebook Marketplace for about $600, so we got a great deal on this. It's a little bit more expensive if you're going to buy it new, but you know what, it's still not that badly priced. And for the trip that we will be taking in a little bit over a week, this soft top is definitely going to be a big benefit because we're definitely going to have the roof down a lot. So now that the soft top's out of the way, let's move on to the next upgrade that we've installed. The next thing that we installed is the Midland MXT 115 VP3 Micromobile radio bundle. And you can see that we decided to mount the actual radio portion of the bundle right beneath the passenger side dash. And then the actual handheld portion is right next to the radio on the passenger side. And the radio bundle actually came with another antenna that's supposed to double your signal. So we ran the wires through the frame of the Jeep, and then we mounted the antenna right back here. It's very hidden out of the way. It's right behind the spare tire. But the only downside of this location is that we're not able to mount the jack right up here anymore. So that's definitely going to hurt. But the location of the antenna works out great for us. It did actually come with a mounting bracket, but the mounting bracket didn't really mount anywhere cleanly on the Jeep. It didn't really fit around the roll bar at all, so this is the best location for us. And then to power the radio, we decided to just wire it directly to the battery. We ran the wires through the dash and then just right to the battery. The next two upgrades that we have aren't necessarily part of the Jeep, but we will definitely be using them on the Jeep. And those upgrades would be a Smittybilt air compressor and then also a Viair air deflator. So let's start off with the Viair air compressor, and of course you're always going to find links to the products in the description below. So it's pretty much just got a gauge on it, it's got the deflator, you can lock it if you want to make it go quicker, and then it also comes with this handy carrying case, and it wasn't that expensive either, so it's definitely well worth it. And then moving on to the Smittybilt air compressor, this thing is their universal air compressor, so it works with any rig you want to use it on. Toyota, Jeep, no matter what. It's got a gauge on it. It's got the nozzle right here. It's got a pretty long lead on it, and then we run it straight off the battery. So here are the battery terminals right there. It's got a pretty nice compact design. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And it definitely gets the job done for us. We've been using it for a couple months now. Haven't had any issues with it. It's not the fastest air compressor, but it's pretty fast. And we would definitely recommend it. So the next few upgrades we have aren't as big as the upgrades that we've shown you here, and they're also inside the Jeep. So let's hop in the Jeep and check them out. Alright, so we're inside the Jeep right now to discuss some of the upgrades that we did inside. Some of the more smaller upgrades, but you know what? The small upgrades make a big difference. And let's start off first with this tablet mount that we installed. It just suction cups to the window, and then we use our Samsung tablet to run Gaia GPS off of it. It works out perfectly for us. And yeah, the next upgrade that we have is this phone mount. Phone just slides in just like that. It's pretty easy to use, and it hooks right into this little side grab handle right here. It's like 2 screws to put it in, so it's super easy, super affordable, and of course you'll find a link to it. And then the last upgrade we actually got when we went to Jeep Jamboree, and this is the Spiderweb shade holder. It just velcros right up to this grab bar right here. You just throw your phone in it or whatever else you want to, and it works out great for that. So that's pretty much it for the upgrades that we've done to this. Actually no, wait, we have one more, and let's head outside and show you guys that. Alright guys, so the last upgrade that we installed, it's very minor, but it's these 5-gallon gas tanks that we put in right there. They go right into our rear bumper because we do have this Smittybilt rear bumper that holds these, and it's kind of silly that we never had these in here before, but now we have an extended range of fuel. We're able to travel longer distances, and it just, in my opinion, just looks better in general. So that's it for the upgrades that we have installed. So now let's tell you guys about the trip that we will be going on here in a little over a week. So now that we got the upgrades out of the way, we're going to talk about our upcoming trip. In about a week and a half, I'd say, we will be heading out west to Ouray, Colorado area, Montrose, Colorado, Silverton, Colorado, that general area, and we will be doing some of the most well-known trails down there. We hope to be able to do Imogene Pass, Ophir Pass, Poughkeepsie Gulch, the Alpine Loop, and other trails in that area. And then on one of the days, we plan to head up to Montrose, Colorado, where we will be doing some of the trails, the lesser known trails up there, but it's completely different terrain than the mountains of Ouray. So we are absolutely stoked for this trip coming up, and we're definitely going to get a ton of video on a ton of different trails. So if you want to see those trails, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. So that's it for this video. We showed you guys the recent upgrades that we put on here. Not very many big upgrades. The soft top's probably the biggest one, and that's not really that large of an upgrade. But you know what? The little things add up. So we hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and we hope that you guys will stay tuned for our videos that will be coming out soon on Colorado. And we will see you guys on the next one.